Hi everyone. I present Financial Report Applet now. So Financial Report Applet is mainly used for you to generate the statement of account, like trial balance, profit and loss report, and also the balance sheet. Okay. So first thing is you need to open the Financial Report Applet. Okay, after you open the Financial Report Applet, there's three menu. First one that you need to use is month-end processing. So why we need month-end processing is because our system is periodic based, so we need to generate the month-end processing every month, only one time every month. So you just need to click create. After you click create, you need to select the set of books. The set of books is related to which company that you want to generate the financial report. So let's say I created for B company. So you need to select the year and then you need to select the months. So 1 month and process each month. Okay, so maybe you can do it every end of the month. So after that you can click create. Once you click create, then it will be created in the listing. So you need to click in. Once you click in, you can see there's a processor tab. So in the processor tab, you need to process. Okay, so after process, then it will show the green successful message. Then you can go back. So okay, here I just need to explain a bit. So let's say every end of the month you created the month and processor, right? After you create the month and processor, then you run the processor. After you run the processor, you got some transaction. Maybe you did some backdated transaction, or maybe you run the processor at 15th of Jan. Then after 15th of Jan until 31st of January, you got a lot of transaction. Okay, in that case, then you just need to click back this January month at processor and then process the month and processor again. Okay, if let's say you got the transaction after you run the processor, then you just need to come back and rerun the processor. After you run the processor, then it will be updated to financial report. Okay, so if you didn't rerun the processor, then maybe some transaction data missing from your financial report. Okay, so after you have done this month-end processor, you need to go to financial report, this menu. Okay, in financial report menu, report is the report listing. So in this report, you can see the trial balance, profit and loss, and then the balance sheet. Okay, so here also the same. You need to create the financial report. You need to select the set of books, similar to month and processing. Then start year and then end year, and then start month and end month. Okay, here I can explain to you a bit more. Let's say you want to see the report month by month. For now, each month you just need to select start month as January and end month as January. If let's say when during your audit period you want to generate the report for 1 month, 1 year, okay, 1 whole year, then here you need to change to December. Okay, after you got selected the month, you just need to click create. Okay, so after you click create, it will be show you one report. It contains only the January transaction. Okay, if let's say you created for 2026, then from January to December, then this report is for 1 year report. Okay, so trial balance will be like this. Then this is the profit and loss. Okay, you can click in and to see all the details. And then this is the balance sheet. Okay, so if you want to print out, you can just click any of the icon. This is Excel, this is PDF, this is Excel, and this is the printable. If you click in printable, it will be show like this. This is the company name, everything. Then this is the report period. Okay, let's say now you created the January transaction. Okay, after that you rerun the month and processing. You realize that you got some transaction after the first month and processing running, right? So after you run the month and processor, and then let's say you already created this report, then after we run it, you just click in, then you regenerate. Okay, regenerate means this report will be refreshed. Okay, so refresh means it will be updated to latest transaction after you run the month and processing again. Okay. Okay, so this one is month by month or for whole year, or if you want to generate the report for quarterly or half year, then you can just select the date and generate the report. Then let's say if you want to compare month by month, then in that case you just need to tick. Let's say for example, you can see I have generate financial report for this B company, and I also have August report for B company, and then July. Okay, let's say I want to compare this month, then I just need to tick the 3 report, then I click reports. Once I click reports, then it will be show like this. So it will be help you to do the comparison. Okay, so you can easily to do the comparison in this report. Okay, all same like this, month by month. This is balance sheet month by month. Okay, so it's same for the whole year report. Like if you generate the whole year report and then you want to compare year by year, then also you can do the same thing. Just click it and then you generate the report. Maybe I can show you one example. Example B, this one I generate for 2025, then until December I create. So another one I create for 2024. Okay, now I want to do the comparison for this 2 years. Then I click reports. Okay, then this one will be like this. Okay, this one is comparison for 2 years. Okay, so if you click into only one, then this report is for whole year. So you can check from the balance sheet format from 1st January until end of December. Okay, it's different for creating one month by month. Okay, so this is one of the so this is the financial report everything. Okay, then another one is here is one more profit loss report, right? So this one actually, this report doesn't need any months and processing. It's just for you to do some checking or monitoring for the branch. So it's not by company, it's just only for branch part. Okay, so here is group by branch. Then here maybe you need to select the which branch you want to check for the profit and loss. Okay, then you select the period, then the cost, which cost you want to use, then you search. After you search, then it will show you the report. Okay, fund or transaction. Okay, it will be only show like this. So actually this one doesn't need any months and processor, so it just a simple report that for you to check the branch, not by company.